Good morning, students. Today I am going to introduce you our compulsory English prose number 1, the engine trouble. I would like to give the detailed explanation of this prose. The title of this prose is Engine Trouble. This lesson is written by R.K. Narayan. Now I would like to introduce you the author of this lesson. R.K. Narayan was born on October 1906 and died on May 13, 2001. He was not only an Indian writer but also a leading author of early Indian literature in English, along with the Mulkraj Anand and Raja Rao. His novels and stories are full of wit, humor, and satire. Now I would like to give the detailed analysis of the story. Engine Trouble is a very humorous story by R.K. Narayan. As the title suggests, it records how the road engine causes great trouble to the narrator, who wins it in a lottery. One day, the narrator went to the show called Gaiety Land. He bought a ticket at a lottery stall. Soon the result was declared and the narrator got a road engine as a prize. However, the engine created problems. The narrator did not know driving. The showman agreed to keep it there till the end of the show. The narrator tried to find a driver but in vain. So the show ended, but the engine was still there. Soon he was informed by a notice that he should either remove the engine from the municipality ground or pay rent for it. The narrator was a poor man, yet he agreed to pay 10 rupees per month as a rent. As a result, he had to cut into his budget and pledge a couple of jewels of his wife. Then the narrator tried to sell the road engine, but none became ready to buy it. He then approached the secretary of the Cosmopolitan Club and became ready to sell the engine to him at a concessional rate. But the secretary did not become ready to buy the engine. The narrator also requested the chairman of the municipality to buy the engine at a great concession, but he too refused to buy it. The narrator decided to take the engine to the place of his friend. He requested the temple priest to give his elephant to pull the engine. He also hired 50 men to push the engine. In addition, he also bought one bus driver who hardly had any knowledge of driving a road engine. The elephant started pulling the engine and Joseph managed the steering, but as he did not know to drive the engine, it went here and there. Soon the mob cheered loudly and the elephant broke the nearby compound wall. The owner of the wall slapped the narrator and gave him to the police. When the narrator came out of the jail, he had to face serious problems. He had to pay for the elephant, the 50 men, and also for the damaged wall of the owner. His wife did not become ready to help him by selling a couple of jewels. So the narrator thought of running away up to his village. He would ask his wife to write to her father to take her to his house, and he himself would escape one night. However, one day the narrator attended the free show arranged by the municipality. The Swamiji, astonished all by his yogic tricks, like drinking acids, eating nails, licking hot rods, and the like. Finally, the Swamiji wished to have a road engine driven over him. He added that his assistant knew how to drive one. The writer became ready to give his engine for the trick. He thought that the assistant then would drive the engine to any place he wanted. The audience moved to the engine. The assistant was about to start the engine over the chest of the Swamiji, but the police inspector came there and stopped the trick. The assistant did not become ready to drive the engine for the narrator. The narrator then made preparations to leave the town within a couple of days. But soon nature came to his help. An earthquake in the North India shook the town of the narrator too. The next morning, the engine was not at its place. When searched, it was found in the disused well. The owner of the well and the damaged wall did not become angry. On the contrary, he thanked the narrator for solving his problems through his engine. The water in the well was too dirty. The municipality authorities had sent him several notices to close it. The owner of the well was worried about the cost of filling the well and closing it, but the engine fitted the well. He requested the narrator to leave the engine there. He would pay all his expenses. After a few months, the narrator saw that the mouth of the well was neatly cemented. Thus, the narrator took a breath of relief and at last he get rid of the troubles caused by the road engine. That's why the title of this lesson, Engine Trouble, is very apt, written by R.K. Narayan. Thank you very much.